Hey, it's Jamaison, and I'm here with an unboxing, but before I get to this, I want to just remind you that we have a fabulous evening planned the very first night in Vegas at the Glass Craft and Bead Expo. So if you're going to be in Vegas on Wednesday night, April 15th, we've got an amazing evening planned, and so there are still tickets available. You get drinks, we're going to have a blast, lots of fun up on stage, tons of giveaways, and it's just going to be a great time and a good opportunity to meet some other people who are coming to the expo. So if tickets are still available, make sure you check those out. Here's my unboxing. This is also related to the expo. I'm teaching a class of jewelry, and Bullseye has generously donated the glass that I need for this class. And so you know that since I've been fusing, I've been a Bullseye fan and love their product, love the team there, and they donated this to my class. So thank you, Bullseye. My students appreciate it. My classes are both sold out. You could join the wait list if you want, but I thought I'd go ahead and do a little unboxing. Now this is a big box and it's gonna take me a little bit to get into it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started and I'll show you what I got. Let's start with the frit though. I asked for 2 5-ounce jars of opaque white fine frit and black fine frit. So that's what those are. Now let's get into the box. All right, here we go. There's a lot of nice packing in here. Let's see what we got. We have a half sheet of white thin. We have a standard 3mm thick half sheet of black. A standard 3mm half sheet of French vanilla. This is packed so well. This is standard 3mm clear tecta. This is thin clear half sheet, thin black. And that is the bottom of the box. So thank you, Bullseye. Really appreciate the donation. That's a lot of glass, but we are gonna make a lot of jewelry in my classes. And so I hope if you're coming out to the expo that if you didn't get into my class, that you at least come on Wednesday evening to the Glass After Dark special event, or come by my booth sometime during the expo and say hi. I'd love to see you. Thanks again, Bullseye. We will see you in Vegas.
And speaking of Vegas booths, you can visit Bullseye's booth at number 915. I think that's the same spot they were in last year, so go check them out if you're there.